Hey beauties, it's Daisy here. I'm back with another wig tutorial. Today we have the 613 wig I colored and made this beautiful ombre sherbet color. That's what we're gonna call it. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look in this tutorial, then make sure you stay tuned. Here we have Sunber Hair's packaging. They gave me a wig cap with an adjustable strap. The wig does come with dyed roots, so they're a copper brown in between medium and dark brown, and the color is so pretty. The hair is soft. As you can see, I could just run my fingers through it, and it comes with, I believe, 13x4 parting space as well as pre-plucked baby hairs. So if you don't know how to do them, it will be super easy for you. And it has the 2 combs on the side as well as one in the middle and one in the back. Now I'm going to show you guys how I colored this wig. I'm using this bright pink fuchsia color. This is from Kiss. I'm going to have all the colors I use in the description box below. And I'm just placing that color all over the front of this wig. The great thing about this wig is it comes pre-dyed with darkened roots. So when you dye the hair, it's like a little contrast. And then I'm adding a little bit of yellow. I'm taking small sections and placing it as close to the hairline as possible without getting the dye on the lace, and combing it out and using some aluminum foil to let that hair, kind of heaten up and process. And the next color I'm using is this purple color. I actually mixed these colors with some conditioner so I can brighten them up a little bit to get that really bright, vibrant look. And it just looks so good. I love it. This took a long time. It took me about at least a few hours to do this whole wig, but I'm just gonna show you a few of the colors that I used. Here is how the wig is looking after I took all the foil out, and it's just sitting. I love this. I can't stress it enough. It's so cute and vibrant. And here's how it looks after I washed and conditioned it. I used some silicone mix and let it sit for a few hours just so I can make sure I don't mess up the hair texture. And as you can see, it's so soft and flowy. I'm truly impressed with Sunber hair. Hey beauties, so we got this pink ombre, I would call it like a sherbet color wig. I just went crazy with the colors and I'm absolutely in love. It's something different, something vibrant. So I already straightened it off camera. I'll probably touch it up a little bit, but I'm getting ready to install this wig. I'm just gonna use some Got to Be spray this time because I don't want that white contrast, and I'm not gonna keep the wig on more than a day, so we're good to go. And make sure you don't do your makeup till after, especially if you have a colored wig. You don't want your makeup in that frontal. So I just popped the lace off, and yes sis, this is so pretty. The lace is very transparent, which I like, and the darker roots kind of just makes everything look more natural. And these colors are absolutely bomb. Like, look at all these colors through here. You got some yellow, orange, pink, and a little blue, little splash of blue, just to give it a little bit of a contrast. So FYI, this wig was supposed to be my birthday wig, but it was so hot outside and I rode some 4-wheelers. I didn't want to sweat my wig off, but we are definitely going to take some bomb pictures in this. This is not an everyday wig, but this is a, you know, an event wig. Like, I'm trying to pop up and show out type wig, okay? So I'm gonna take some of my wax butter And we're gonna put that around this swoop so it can lay flat. And here is the final look. I love, 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 love this. It's so cute. It's perfect for the summer. Now this wig was gonna be my birthday wig. My birthday is July 4th. I'm a Cancer, you know, oh. So shout out to all the Cancers. But I was actually riding ATVs on my birthday and I didn't want to mess up my wig, and it just was pointless to really wear this wig on my birthday. But I'm slaying it today. It's super cute. I love all the colors I put in it. I really like the fact that it's pink in the front and it has those pre-darkened roots. So once you get the wig, all you have to do is color it. You don't even have to do anything to the roots. I really like a darker root with, you know, especially since we're women of color. If you are a woman of color, darker roots is the way to go. And then, you know, color your wig. But the good thing is that these roots are still like a light kind of copper brown, so it's not too dark. I hate a really dark root, but it flows in with this color, as you guys can see. I put a little bit of a different colors. Well, I put different colors under the wig. I put like some blues, some orange, pinks, purple, yellows, all kind of colors in here. So if you just want to kind of hide the colors, you can wear a style like this, or if you want to show the colors, I would wear like an updo, because once you put it up, you can see this blue and the yellow and all these colors going on, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Sunber hair has some of the best 613 hair that I ever had. This wig is bomb. It's super soft. Even after me coloring this wig, I put so much color in it, and I actually let the color sit, I think, overnight. So this is amazing. For it to be still soft and flowy like this, I can't believe it. It doesn't shed or tangle at all. Like, I'm really amazed. I am highly impressed with this wig. You guys should be too, because it looks flawless. Even these ends, let me show you guys, aren't frizzy. Usually if you color a wig or has too much processing going on, it just doesn't look right. This wig looks absolutely perfect. I love this, okay? Don't try to purchase this for me because I'm keeping this. Boo! I love it. If you guys enjoyed this wig tutorial, please show your girl some support. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And thanks for watching. Until my next video, peace.